Hey guys, it's Mike with All American down in Savannah, and I wanted to talk today about the importance of Google business pages, reviews, and how to manage and get those reviews. In my opinion, every interaction that you have with a customer, you need to ask for a Google review. Every invoice that we send out electronically, there is a link to our Google business page directly to the review section. So I ask that everybody please leave a review, that it's very important for small businesses, and we greatly appreciate it. Not everybody does it, but we have a ton of good reviews. Obviously, there's always going to be a few bad ones mixed in, but such is life. So get as many good Google reviews as possible. Obviously, that's just marketing 101. People actually go and look at reviews. People base their decisions on who they hire on your ranking, on your reviews. Obviously, the higher the reviews you have, the more reviews you have, the more credible it makes you look, and the more people trust you, because people trust Google. The other component of this is part of SEO and ranking within Google itself. I think that it is unbelievably important to reply to every review that you get, and in those replies, use keywords, use your location, use the services that you provide, while thanking the customer for taking the time to leave you a review. These are little things that you can do that make a big difference. Also, on the topic of business Google pages, or Google business pages rather, content. Every day, spend a few minutes adding content, whether it's a picture of a job that you've done, with good keywords, good descriptions, location. Every day, do that. Spend 5 minutes in the morning when you're having your cup of coffee or whatever you're doing to hit up all your social media, add content, add valuable content, content that is going to hopefully make the phone ring. These are things that seem small and inconsequential, but over time, as you build and your business grows and your online presence grows, your social media presence grows, these things will make the phone ring. It will make your website get more traffic. You will see these increases. If you don't have a Google page, it's 2020. It's time. I was just talking to a guy the other day who messaged me on Instagram about his business, that it was new, what advice I would give him. And surprisingly enough, he was waiting for his confirmation code from Google. And so I walked him through these same steps, and that's what kind of got me started thinking about this. There's the blogger on Google. Use that. Talk about your business. Talk about the services that you provide, the areas that you service. Again, heavy to keywords, and there's lots of keyword generators if you've got questions about that. But these are just some little things that you can do every day, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, adding things to your Facebook page, your Instagram, your Twitter. Also, accumulate as many emails as you can. The more email addresses you have, the more you can get in contact with people. I think it is invaluable to be able to contact all of your customers, not on a regular basis, because then it becomes spam and people will not like hearing from you. If you do it not sporadically but tactically, when times are slow for you, that's the best time to hit people up. If you're busy and you've got more work than you can handle, there's no need to be spamming folks. but collect email addresses. See if there's a list. Maybe a realtor has somebody, an email that they send out that they'd be willing to include your services on. These are all little things that are free, but can make such a huge difference. I'm about to run into a meeting right here, but I just wanted to pass those things along. Hopefully it helps. One of the other things I'm going to talk about in the next video is the systems that we have in place for scheduling, for appointments, for invoicing, for follow-up emails that have really proven to be great for my business. Hopefully this helps. Please subscribe, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell. You know all the things to do. We appreciate you, and thanks for watching. Take care and good luck.